Liga! Flowers of May from Eastern Visayas region. How lovely and how choice are the flowers. Flowers, flowers, how lovely. Flowers, flowers, how lovely. Flowers, flowers, flowers. How lovely and how choice are the ilang-ilang. Champaka and Sampaguita. The fragrant roses, Rosal, and Azucena. Their scent fills the air. Yes, our scent fills the air, and is wafted far away, far away. Sweet flowers of May. Flowers, flowers, flowers. The flowers cover our naked land, so exquisite, they captivate the mind. The water bodies and other orchids with colors delight the eyes. Love or not, we're still admired. Yes, they are still admired. Though they wither fast, they are flowers of May. Even the common Dionela in the morning, very proudly blooms. The Calachuchi, the marigold, have beauty and fragrance to rival others. You, and we don't have to go to other places. We have many flowers of May. Viva Lumbeya, ha ha, sige, viva Lumbeya, ha ha, sige, viva Lumbeya, ha ha, sige. Flowers of all kinds of green. No, it is there to name them. There are black flowers and light flowers too. Who are the adornment of our existence? Flowers that can burn our hearts like fire. In the man of May. Kis-kis, la vista, umpaitea, umpaita. Kis-kis, la vista, umpaitea, umpaita. Kis-kis, la vista, umpaita.